So Laban is something that I was introduced to in college and was immediately interested in, and it really stuck with me. And I'll say of all the techniques that I've learned over the years, this is one of the ones that I come back to first and most frequently when I'm approaching a new character and a new script. And I really like it because it sort of attacks your technique from two different directions. It allows you to become more aware of your own body and your own physicality and create a vocabulary to describe what is physical home base for you as an actor. And then that awareness allows you to kind of strip away physical habits and come to a neutral standpoint so that then you can use that same vocabulary and those same techniques to build a new physical character that has perhaps a completely different physicality from you. And I love it because there's so much range of work. You can come to Laban as a beginning student, and even if you just try out a couple of techniques, it's going to push you. You can come to Laban as a professional actor who's been in the business for years, and it will bring new life to your physical characters. So some of the things that I'm excited for students to take away from this class is to push themselves physically, to find new ways to tell stories with their bodies, and to find a sense of play in their characters. And also to create a vocabulary that is useful to them in rehearsal. It's a technique that you can always apply yourself at home, and that you can practice even if you're inside alone. And it will still find ways to stretch you and give you some play and creativity and get you outside of your own head. I think a lot of times as actors, and especially as student actors, and especially as actors who have been acting on Zoom or taking classes on Zoom, it's easy to kind of forget the physical element. And it's easy to get in our own heads, and Laban pushes you out of that, which is very exciting. Also, I think it's easy to always kind of default to attacking a character from the inside out, applying all those academic techniques, scoring scripts, which is all wonderful. But Laban allows you to approach a character from the outside in, which is a fun way to shake things up and maybe discover some new things that you might not have thought about before. So, hope that helps.